Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. A to Z. Brown color, yellow color, red color, green color, orange color, pink color, silver color, blue color, gold color, black color, green color. Green color. A for apple. A for ant. B for ball. B for bat. Green color. C for cat. C for cat. Green color. D for dog. D for dolphin. Blue color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Blue color. F for fish. F for football. Blue color. Z for grass. Z for grapes. Red color. S for horse. S for house. Red color. I for ice cream. I for igloo. Red color. Z for jug. Z for juice. Red color. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Brown color. L for light. L for Lamborghini. M for mango. M for monkey. Brown color. N for next. N for necklace. Orange color. O for owl. O for owl. Orange color. P for parrot. P for pig. Orange color. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Color. R for rain. R for rat. Pink color. S for strawberry. S for snake. T for tree. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for upper mark. Gold color. V for vase. Gold color. W for watermelon. W for window. Yellow color. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yarn. Z for zero. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.